Hello, good morning everybody. Thank you for the time given to our. In this presentation, we will discuss about similarities and difference. Let me introduce ourselves. My name is Maulidia Fitriana. My partner is Kuswina Saputri, Laila Ramawati, and Mela Savitri. We are from Group 5. First, I will explain to you about similarities and difference. Similarities and difference. Understanding similarities and difference, we will discuss similarities and difference. Similarities in English are used to describe things that are considered to have something in common, whereas difference are used to explain the difference that are owned by two objects or people contained in a sentence. Both similarities and difference use adjective as comparisons. 1. Similarities. Use of the word similarities or equation. S. The form of the word means same, used to describe two things being compared which have the same qualities between them. The form as can be used in positive or negative sentence. Positive sentence formula: subject plus to be or verb plus s plus adjective plus s plus object. Example of sentences: gradually concerns broadened to private as well as public speaking, nonverbal and mediated as well as verbal channels, multiple speakers and listeners as well as individual searchers and receivers, and outcomes such as entertainment along with persuasion. In the example sentence above, there are three things being compared. The first is the word concern broadened to private as well as public speaking. The second being compared is nonverbal and mediated as well as verbal channels. And the third is multiple speakers and listeners as well as individual sources and receivers. The three sentences compared have the same value or quality, so they are suitable for comparison with one another.
Negative sentences formula: subject plus to be or verb plus not plus as plus adjective plus as plus object. Example of sentences: our concern has been with the way in which political outcomes can be seen as a product of communication and feedback structures in society, not as well as of the group structures that provide contextual linkage to family, friends, CO workers, and other affiliates. The same as: the word the same as means same. The same as in positive sentences is used to express the equality of values of the two things being compared. The formula for the same as in positive sentences: subject plus to be plus the same as plus object. Example of sentences: that shirt is almost the same as mine. My briefcase is exactly the same as yours. Formula in negative sentences: subject plus don't or doesn't plus verb plus the same plus noun plus as plus object. Negative sentences examples: her car doesn't have the same color as mine. I don't have the same personal behavior as my sister does. The same this form also means same and is used to describe two things that are the same. The formula for forming the word the same: subject 1 plus n plus subject 2 plus to be plus the same. Example sentences: my hobby and her hobby are the same. Siska's favorite food and her twins are the same. Similar to. Similar to means similar to. It is used to describe similarities between two things being compared.
Likes. The word like means like The word like in the context of the equation refers to the meaning of the adjective. Example of synthesis. A beer cup grows out to look and act like a beer, not a cat or a dog. Like above explains the equation which means like. 2. Differences. Use of word in the form of differences or differences. Different from. Used to distinguish the thing that the speaker is comparing. Formula different from. S plus to B plus different from plus object. Example sentences. Her job as a supplier is different from my job as a technician. Annie's behavior is different from his brother's behavior. Unlike, the word is used to describe the difference between two things. Unlike means not the same. The formula for forming the word unlike: S plus to B plus unlike plus object. Position in the middle of the sentence. Unlike plus subject plus to be plus object. Position at the beginning of the sentence. Example of synthesis. 1. Rebecca is unlike her mother, especially in her posture. 2. Unlike his brother, don't eat fat. There are special words that are used to make elliptical sentences, namely 1. To and so are used for positive sentences. 2. Either and neither are used in negative sentences.
Sentence that is omitted in part because the omitted part has grammatical similarity to the previous sentence. Example: I'm a student and my brother is too. Example 2. He can operate a computer and I can too. Example 3. My father doesn't like smoking and my brother doesn't either. And next, if the predicate in the sentence contains models can my muscle will cause my salt vault, then the same models are used in the sentence that was cleared. Example, Sisi can sing Indonesia Raya. My younger brother can too. Or so can my younger brother. Example 2. The teacher shouldn't smoke. The student shouldn't either, or neither should the student. If the predicate in the sentence contains to be, is, are, was, and were, then to be used in the sentence that is inserted must be adjusted to be subjective. The, the type sentence. Example, I'm an Unpam student, my boyfriend is too, or so is my boyfriend. Example 2, he wasn't here yesterday, we weren't either, or neither were we. If the predicate in the sentence is only a full verb 1, simple present, then in its elliptical sentence the verb must be replaced with do or does. Example, he goes to Unpam every day, I do too, or so do I. Example 2, animals need water to live, plants do too, or so do plants. And example 3, I like news programs on TV. My father does too, or so does my father. And the last, if the predicate in this sentence is only a full verb from to, simple past, then in the elliptical sentence verb sentence, the verb must be replaced with did. Example, they play football. Yesterday we did too. Or so did us. Example 2, Jakarta suffered from floods. Bandung did too. Or so did Bandung. Okay guys, that is the end of the presentation. Thank you for your time and attention. Thank you for your listening. My all tools we have shared may beneficial for all of us. Thank you so much for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.